Hey everyone on the subreddit Air Plants. Hi my friends. I ordered a Tier 100 mystery box and I am so excited to open it. I did ask for no large plants because I don't have space. And I asked for possibly Ionantha Heavy, so let's see what's in here. Alright. Here we have a free Ionantha. This is probably another free Ionantha. Looks like everything in here is packed separately. I have an Ionantha Fuego hybrid clump on a wire. Here is an Ionantha Tall Velvet. It's nice and big. Hey, watch out, kiddo. Ew. Ionantha Albo Marginata. Here's a nice blushing Ionantha No ID. Here I have Ionantha Select Medium. There's two of them. Looks like I have another sort of clump. Yay! I'm so happy. I saw that Nathan had posted this on Reddit. It is so cute. Ionantha Peanut Clump. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Here is a Pernosa crossed with Celeriana. Ooh. Ionantha Big Nut. A new APH cultivar that only Brandon 14 has. Very nice. I love it. Yay, Brandon 14 and I have the same one. Let's see. It says, sent to me as Ionantha Red fan in a shipment from Guatemala. Ionantha Red fan. Ionantha Rosita by Magnusiana. This thing's pretty big. I'm glad it's not bigger though. Let's see, we have an Elisa, which is a hybrid of Streptophylla and something else. I don't remember what. Looks like I got a Streptophylla. I love it. This is like the only big plant I wanted. Streptophylla. It's beautiful. Look how curly it is. Oh my goodness. Another Ionantha Maxima, which is really good because the one I currently have is blushing and about to bloom. So, yay! Here's an Ionantha Mexico clump. That's really pretty. I actually don't think I have an Ionantha Mexico. And that's it. I ordered some Tilly wire and some wire springs, but this is awesome. Thank you, Nathan, for all the iNantha. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you. Bye.